for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.